how much agile knowledge or agile expertise I need to have in order to give the PMP exam. I am getting this question from the individuals, professionals who are working in non-IT environment, someone working in a construction industry and getting worried, what all agile I need to learn in order to get PMP certified. Let's explore this particular question together. See, many times agile is also associated with a lot of keywords which are associated with IT. And you might be wondering that since I don't get these keywords, I might be at a disadvantaged position when I am preparing for agile or preparing for PMP exam, and how do I overcome that? The major issue is how do I overcome that and how do I get ready for agile based question. So, the way I have been seeing, and we have a lot of clients who were in a construction industry and they did a PMP in the new pattern. We have people coming from construction industry, automobile industry doing PMI ACP, which is a PMI's pure agile program with ease. They never faced a difficulty of not knowing IT terminology and not able to clear PMI ACP as well. So, my belief is you do not have to worry about not able to clear the agile related question. So, there is no that much IT terms in the PMP agile space. Now, how do you prepare and how much knowledge you need to get? You need to understand the basic fundamentals related to this adaptive life cycle way of doing things. So, again your approach is still around project management. So, you are exploring what is the life cycle of agile, how the scoping is done in that place, how the leadership is done in agile way of working, how the risks are taken care, how the reports get prepared, how the monitoring happens, how the stakeholder get engaged. So, technically the issue related to project managements are the same. The only thing which we are exploring is how a dynamic change environment where requirements are emerging impacts our execution planning related to project deliverables, and that part one has to learn. So, you can say that even I am working in an industry where the requirements are stable, I am just trying to understand if the requirement becomes so dynamic in nature, how do I do costing, how do I do people management, how do I do a risk management, and that part of agile you need to understand when you deal with a PMP exam. I do not see there is any comprehensive agile book or agile body which covers all the project management aspects which might be relevant for a project manager as well as for PMP exam by using agile approaches. There are a lot of pockets. Yeah, there is a agile manifesto which tells us values and principles. There are some frameworks which take care of some part of project execution but not the complete. So, one is that do not get afraid of it and get started. There will be less and less IT terminology. There will be some terms, names related to meetings and project management. You keep your focus on project management related issues only. Now, what can you do? You can just look at some agile fundamental programs before you start looking at PMP and agile inside the PMP. Something like you just want to understand what is agile. Now, why I am saying it? Because when you start looking at a PMP based agile, we directly start talking about, oh, this is how the change needs to be managed in agile. This is how the risk needs to be managed in agile. This is how the costing needs to be done in agile. But sometimes when you lack the foundational understanding of what is agile, then it might be a little confusing for you, and that might be the reason you might be thinking about this question. Oh, I get confused when they start saying agile way of costing will be like this, because you might not be having the core idea of what is agile way of working. So, my recommendation is enroll to some program. If you are going through our program, we have a separate set of videos which make you ready for agile knowledge before you come to the PMBOK or other project management processes. So, even if whatever program you are enrolled in, try to find out a way where you can learn about agile foundations, and then you apply those foundations and start seeing these foundation in a project management context. Yeah, that is what I would recommend. Doing some small certification program related to agile might be also a good idea. Say you might end up doing certified Scrum Master, so that you get basic foundational understanding of agile and Scrum, and then you come into agile way of working into the project management space.